Hi guys, it's me, Happy Cat, and welcome back to my channel. Now, it's been a long while since I've been on YouTube on my second channel, and I've only got a few videos out of my second channel, and basically a lot of things got in the way. If you want me to do a big story time about where I've been for the last couple of years, then please let me know because I'm quite happy to explain. But long story short, I ended up having a few rubbish jobs, and then I started a business, and now I do my business full time, and my cat's meowing at me. So now I do my business full time. So if you want me to talk about that as well, I'm welcome. I'm very, very happy to share that with you guys. But anyway, this is just a little bit of a nice intro for my channel to say that I am back. I don't know how often I will be posting, but I'm hoping to be posting more regularly. I've got some new equipment, new lighting, new fancy lighting, as you can see in the background, some neon lights. And I've also got some new other new equipment, like a new laptop, which means I can edit videos a lot better. I only had like a standard budget laptop before, and it really just didn't do what I needed it to do in terms of video editing. But I'm going to treat YouTube now similarly, I can't fucking say it. But I decided to try to treat YouTube with a little bit more of a structure. I've proven to myself that I can do the self-employment, like my business, and I'm going to try to treat YouTube the same. I obviously don't want it to be like a business. I want it just to chat to you guys. But I feel like if I structure it out a little bit better, then hopefully I can stay on the channel a lot longer this time. But anyway, I do have some videos planned, some videos in mind. And my first video back will be all about my teeth whitening journey. I decided to get my teeth whitened professionally using the at-home trays. So if that's something that you would like to check out, then make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to check the bell notifications so you can be informed when I upload. Also, I am quite open to suggestions about what you want to see from my channel. I'm going to try a bit of everything, and something I really want to do, and now I've got the new laptop, I can do it. I really want to do some reaction videos, maybe some TikTok reactions and things like that, and I might do some challenges. Basically, I'm going to keep my channel open to whatever. I'm going to just try a few things, get some suggestions from you guys. I would love to hear some suggestions, and I'm just going to have a little play. I think it's important with YouTube to just play and just enjoy, and you know, everyone talks about you have to niche down to a certain point. But to be honest, I kind of just want to film whatever I want to film. And I will be doing some makeup stuff as well. I've got some makeup videos planned, mainly like reviews of my favorite things. Yeah, so, you know, I just want my channel, it's going to be a bit of a mix. But you know what? That's okay. It's okay to have a bit of a mix on YouTube. You know, you don't have to be one niche. And that's something I have learned. I really tried to like niche things down a little bit too much, and then I became stagnant and I became a bit bored of it. So this channel is just going to be a mix of lots of things, but I guess the umbrella niche will be health, beauty and reaction videos. That's probably what I'll end up doing. But yes, the first video will be of my teeth whitening journey. So I will be uploading that within the next day or two. So please make sure you stay tuned. Anyway, I've missed you guys so much, and thank you all for being around. I know there's not many of you just yet, but I'm hoping there'll be more of you. But yes, and it would be so lovely if you guys can come and join and be part of the journey with me. I kind of want you guys to like have some involvement. I love it when a channel's a bit more interactive, and I would love if you guys have some involvement of some creative ideas for the channel as well. Like I said, I do have some planned and some that I'm planning to do, but you know, I would love it if we could be like a community here. So yeah, if that's something that interests you, then please like I said already, please make sure you subscribe. Follow me on TikTok because I will be uploading some extra bits on TikTok. You can find me on TikTok at Happy Cat YouTube. Yes, Happy Cat YouTube. I'll put a link in the description. I can't remember if I kept it as Happy Cat Beauty or Happy Cat YouTube. I'm pretty sure it's Happy Cat YouTube. But yeah, if you want me to talk about my business more, where I've been, maybe some money saving tips, some beauty stuff, I do have quite a few things planned, and they're all very, very different things. So please just come along with the journey with me, and then maybe comment on all the videos, and then it gives me an idea what you guys want to see from me. But anyway, that's all I'm going to say for this short little intro and my little welcome back video. So thank you all for watching, take care, stay safe, and until next time, bye!